Bambo Samuel Ruwara akuoneka kuti sakubwerera mbuyo chifukwa choti iwo andithu akupitiriza kumalankhula mwamphamvu mopanda mantha kuti ali nganganga ali kalikiliki kupanga kampeni kuti wachiwiri kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino olemekezeka Dr. Salus Claus Chilima adzawine chisankho cha mtsogoleri wa dziko lino chimene chichitike mu 2025. Mulankhula kwawo mmene akulankhulira Ruwara nthawi zonsezi akumanena kuti m'Malawi muno mulibenso munthu wina wandale amene angatsogolere dziko lino koposa a Salus Claus Chilima. Ndi muli yawo yalero akuwikamonso mmene mukumakometsera kuti kampeni ya Salus Chilima ikome kuti Amalawi akopeke akavotere achilima. Koma muli yawo lero akhangata asinthako pang'ono mayankhulidwe atsirako katsakula pang'ono pamenenso akugunda kuzipani zina monga chipani cha Malawi Congress Party, AFOD komanso UDF osayiwala chipani cha DPP. Kumeneko ndithu Ruwara akumanena kuti apanga analyze kuti kodi atsogoleri azipani zimenezi bwino wawo uli pati komanso kufoka kwawo kuli pati. Ndiyete ndikhale limodzi kuti timve kuti kodi Ruwara akuti bwanji lero pa nkhani ya achilima kuyima mu 2025 komanso kuti iwo amaona bwanji zipani zina ndi atsogoleri a zipani zimenezi pano pa Nyanza Voice. Tiyete ndikhale limodzi kuti tiwamve Ruwara kuti akuti chani. Ndipo tikamaliza tipemphani kuti inu yomwe maganizo anu in the comment section below kuti kodi simene alankhula Ruwara pa candidacy ya achilima komanso utsogoleri wa zipani monga AFOD, UDF, DPP komanso MCP inuyo mukugwirizana nazo kapena simukugwirizana nazo. Tiyeni tikhale limodzi pano pa Nyanza Voice Box.
Maswabani ma comments pa group up. I know to kuerenga ma comment antu. You are really getting deeper into debates and the way you analyze some issues about campaigns and candidates. I mean, think as I'm voted 2025. You people are very good. My members per group of Masego Bill. Mama Suka Wabas. And that's good. That's very good. Let me say about some political parties, the way they stand this time. It's true that Zipan Zambiri is all foka. It's not only UTM, it's not only DPP, it's not only MCP. For my general outlook, parties are weak. Zipani zonse zimene zikupita kumapali zikupita ku 2025 elections kukozeka kwa kukakovuta kwambiri, because these parties in Malawi they like coordination. Palibe coordination muchipani, palibe kutolerance, there's no tolerance. Muchipani muli maboza, muchipani muli that spirit of not pushing one another to another level. Muchipani muli anthu ena omwe safuna anthu ena aloweremo olalowe mchipani for fear kuti mwina kuza kulanda maudini. So each and every party in Malawi has got a problem. Let's be honest, Malawi has going to quite ku Malawi. MCP andi vuto limodzi ilomwe mwina ena tukona ngati kuti chipani chathu cha MCP chindi problem imodzi yomwe anthu ambiri mwina simaziwa. Chipani cha MCP anthu amachikonda, but most of the times most members of MCP they don't love their leaders. Komanso apart from that, ordinary Malawians omwe sapanga zandale, it's difficult to support an MCP leader. Monga panopa Chakwera kungota ima kupauka, very few individuals can support his candidates in 2025 elections as compared to Chilima. Chilima ngwema paye kachoncho. So many people who follow him. The many mulungana kozera and hamene wakutazi sempani. And that's what we have seen in Chilima. Chilima without even chipani cha kacho foka motani. Koma ye paeka is a person amena Malawi ambiri ama mkuru. Ama anaika chikupuricho wa masikwano. Ataona zole pela za Chakwera. Achakwera it's difficult for Chakwera to have new politicians to support him. Hence is the reason why these security politicians are taking too much advantages to join Chakwera to campaign on his behalf. Mukatumone masaguri politicians, they have seen the weakness in Chakwera, and Chakwera has known his weaknesses. Kuti yeye sangachite win support of new members to join the party. If I met him MCP kale Achakwera cannot take us seriously, because Achakwera kuziwa metimene now tiko opposition. He knows that we recognized him, we realized some weaknesses in him. Tina unazofoka za Achakwera hivi tiko opposition. Akatayankhule parliament, fine and good. Koma akatayankhule ku campaign, Achakwera ku campaign samata kuyankhula. Honestly speaking, Malawi, salamizani. kuyankhula kuti akhale chikoka achakwera paokha ngati mene apangira vice president. No way achakwera sangapange campaign. That's why umatenga yamata uzelezekawa akuluakulu ena masagri politicians omwe amene ngati uzelezekawa akumala mu MCP easily because anthu mkati mwene masagri politicians they know how to talk to the public. Koma iwo achakwera paokha achakwera ayi utakwete MCP achakwera sogole pa campaign ngati president sangapange campaign yogwira ayi sangaende mtunda ku northern region sangazapange campaign yabwino ku southern region sangazapange campaign yabwino because kuli anthu amene ali zipani amene amayankhula bwino kopsa ngakhalebe chikoka kuposa achakwera. Achakwera is not a rally president. Achakwera zawo mwina zayankhula m'manyumbamo kapena ku parliament kapena yankhule pamalo pokuti mina pachitika ku state house mwapo ndi apo. While this vice president Saulos Chilima Waitemu, he knows what to do. Akhoza kuyankhula bwino mu nyumba komanso kuyankhulanso bwino kunja ku campaign. That's why he finds no problem when he's campaigning for his a leader. Ngamene apangira ku DPP. Ku DPP lo aujeni aja this president APM amaziwira ati kuti ku DPP kuliba anthu omwe angayankhule kupanga chikoka kuti anthu kwasatira. Kulibiletu. Even APM amaziwa. He needs some other people to stand for him, to speak on his behalf. Kwa paokha sangaka ambe rumendu kambira panopa. APM cannot say. Chakwera cannot say. Chilima paeka amata ukamba. Koma amata ukamba, but he's very good on paperwork. He's a designer on his own of politics. He's an architecture of politics. Amata kuyankhula kakakhala palanda about kumzuzu ayankhula chinthu amalayo tonse timamva. Pamene chakwera palanda about amangopereka moni. Moni mene amapereka asa makhala moni wofoka. Not moni chaupanga motivate munthu kuti asatire. So what I'm trying to say is all the parties, DPP, kulibeso anthu oyankhula. Even Kabambe, kale candidate wa DPP, kuyankhula saziwa. He can speak nicely while in office. Kabwire ntchito ngati Reserve Bank governor, kapena even for secretary general Kabambe cannot stand. He's a weak person. Amata inozowa kuyankhula. Ngakhale sangafika pa Chilima. Atupere ndamva panopa. This other time I talked about people of Western religion. Amati ndiyambe kumugulisa ndani. Ndiyambe kuwagulisira. Ndize kambapo za Atupere Muluzi to be one of the contestants pa presidential ntaya campaign ntaya mavoti pa campaign. Ndize mchurako kunesa achile team up ndigula china Chilima Enoch Chihana ndiye ma president achiyamatawo. I'm happy today I've got this news now. Atupere has responded pamene chipani chake chinakangati chinakamuonekera kuti ya bwana mutiyimirire ku 2025 ngati president candidate wa UDF. Atupere is good, but the problem with Atupere is he's too ambitious inside himself, not ambitious outside to the people. No, Atupere problem yake Malawi sakunamize. He's too ambitious in himself. My yeyu is too ambitious. Akamakamba chintu amaona chinthu chimene amachiona chicha amaona ngati Malawi tikuchiona pamene sitimachiona. It's just like Chakwera. Ngakhale kuti mina Muluzi is good, he's too interactive somehow, unlike Chakwera. Chakwera is not interactive. Chakwera is just too sensitive. Kuchosako mawu ena omwe akhoza kupangisa kukhala msogolero wa mphamvu amachosamo. Pamene Muluzi Atupere amatulusa mawu. Koma is just too ambitious inside himself. Atupere is very difficult to share his ambitions with my voters. Samatek. Maybe the only powers that you have is drama simamutalikira. Kwa unena kuti mene alili as presidential candidate. Even at president Atupere Muluzi wazikola Malawi. Tizakhala wovuta kwambiri Malawi kuti mvesese kuti kodi Atupere afuna chani. Mwina sa Atupere akhuza kuzakhala munthu wovuta kwambiri kumusatira ngati mwina Chakwera. Sugar, the type of people amene angatenge Atupere Muluzi to form a government, I tell you, Malawians will never like him. Unless asinde machitide. I'm happy he's come back. Temba kumuchwachwa naye. Kwa mene kupeleka papa mene napangira ine mene amunikira Atupere. This is what I'm saying. Atupere is too ambitious in himself. Mukwati parantena, andale amazifira kwambiri okha mu mtima kuti ayi ineyo even antena sasatire komabe ineyo ndiyimabe basi. This is the type of Atupele. Too ambitious. But it's very difficult Atupele to accommodate someone's views politically. Atupele cannot get advice apart from the father. That's the challenge. Maybe unlike Enoch Chihana, who lost the father, maybe so Yacha for Shana so. Enoch Chihana understands what people want in Malawi. But the challenge is to make a decision, a bold decision, to dissolve his neck and choose the right people to support him. Enoch Chihana had the problem. He can't do that. He's failing to do that. Akuziwa oti anthu anga amene nawo ku afford ndiofoka koma samafuna kupanga chani kuti anthu achosemo ayikemo anthu azeru atukule chipani cha afford. That's why things are staggering. So when you talk about political parties, then I'm mukudanda kuti ayi akuti UTM njofoka. Ayi UTM, this is true. I'm happy with Mafulirwa. Mafulirwa wanabwera kwambiri kuti chipani cha UTM pachoka chana kugwira ntchito. It's not only UTM, it's all the parties I'm talking. Afford, UDF, Chimozi Boss. So when we come to MCP, kulibe anthu ama ambition. In MCP, there are no ambitious politicians in MCP. Kulibe late munthu wa ambition. So munthu wakaopanda ambition, it's difficult to make good choices of people to work with in a party. That's why it's for MCP. That's why they support the vice president. Because the vice president is charming. He's even his few members are UTM. Penapaka ama verses. Ukazuzura ama verses. But what lacks with UTM is maybe, I don't know, their financial base. Many vote. Just like in any other party. Koma UTM is much better. It can improve. Because ordinary Malawians, abamkonda president wow. Pazinchitos mena kuonesa. Pamene kwa MCP, it's a very difficult party. When somebody is supporting Chakwera, some members don't like it. Someone supporting Chakwera from a different region or from a different aspect. Yomwe yo sama embeza chachirendo chili chose chimene munthu wina amachuza chipani cha MCP. Kuti bwanji tisinthe apapa. Ngati kwa MCP sana chivese chinthu chimenecha munthu imodzi wama executive. The party does not accommodate that. Kwa MCP ukafuna kuti umveke bwino. You have to convince someone in the party traditionally. Munametapo gule nameta ugwiza nawo. Koma ngati miyambo yawo yachichewa sunasatire kwa MCP ndiwe Ntumbuka ndiwe Mulomwe Muchawa sunasatire mwambo wachichewa, MCP will not give you support. But the advantage of MCP, it is got a lot of members in Central Region by numbers. Even my voters in Central Region don't beat. But when we come to national politics, MCP is a very hard party to work with. It cannot accommodate any person, MCP. It cannot accommodate any person who does not understand their tradition, culture, and custom. And even the wisdom. Yeah, we mean now as that accent region, it's difficult. The most challenge, MCP now does not accommodate any tribal people. Never. Apart from people of Central Region. And Central Region, kumene kuri rich chewers, the kumene chiriko kwambiri. Kwa kumene kuri half of the district kuli Angoni, MCP kumeneko, simakondako. That's why even making decisions for at a national level, achakwera kulephera. Because it's more advised by the people in my tribes. People of his tribe. Correspond. Later, Chakwera can listen to Mtumbuka. That's why even Honorable Halim Kandawire, being a vice president of MCP, cannot make decisions on his own and tell the party to follow that decision. Never. It cannot happen. And the same thing happened the time Chipani MCP Chikuyamba. Anayamba Lev Mumba. You can see the time Lev Mumba Mamba Nyasan African Congress. But people were able to coordinate. Members of Central Region, members from Southern Region, Chipani China South African Congress, and Akapu Sogore. It's just like when Oton Chirwa registered Malawi Congress Party after members of South African Congress on Amangi. He registered his party because he was a barrister of law. He interpreted the laws of forming a party. So what I'm trying to say here is Chipani Chili Chose Kumalawi Chinima weaknesses. But my weakness is like the men now. UDF, the president is too ambitious inside himself. Very difficult to get views from other people. But also, he's got the advantage. Pass because the father was a former president. Enoch Chihana afford. Enoch Chihana afford. He's got one problem. The same people who are failing him are the same people he trusts most. He does not want to open doors for new members. Every new member akafuna we afford. These people failures around afford presidency or in the neck ya afford. They always debate over that person. What in English Chipani? What will get Chipani? That's why afford does not move. But Enoch on himself, on his own, is a good man. Chilima is too charismatic. Chilima is a statesman. He's quiet. He gets the views of people. And Chilima knows the weaknesses of his party. Chilima Tamaziwa weakness ya Chipani chake. Komaso, he knows how to handle his members. Shwa ngatikuli ata ambition. Kumalai kuna Chipani, they are UTM. UTM members are so ambitious. But that ambition, UTM, it's not accommodative to some other people to join the party. But most Malawians, they love the vice president. Since he was at Chancellor College, up to the time anamtenga ndani APM mpaka panopa, the man knows really what he's doing for the country. Zimbazi pali zonsezo amene angatenge zinthu kuti ziende ku Malawi the vice president Saulos Chilima, because he's the only president who has worked in Malawi company komwe anaonesa kuti mbena magresho ku makampani jamachita bwino. Southern Bottles, Yamafoni, Zena, Airtel, Panopa. He worked there as a salesperson, as a salesman, or somebody, an executive officer or something like that. Ana Granchito Malawi, he knows how to handle Malawians. He understands the economy of Malawians. He understands what type of businesses the country can take so that it can progress as a nation. So tikamba zimene zizi azipani tikama kuzuzwa kuti zipani zanu zili weak kapena malida zanu are weak. This is the time to change your parties. Sinthani sikaendesodeka zipani. That's what you have to do, Malawians. Kwa panopa hope imeti nayo kumalawi kunoko. Ndamendi kuchulapa. Atupele can stand a chance when he can change up and up. Afford president can stand a chance akati akchita up and up. MCP can take a chance. Ngatanga vesese mene anthu akufunira Malawi. Because MCP, the most challenging factor imene MCP anayo, safuna kumva zimene anthu akunena. That's it. Their thinking is closed. Their eyes are closed. Their ears are closed. And always when they see somebody criticizing them, is a threat. That's where MCP is. And they try to mislead that person. I'm not going to threat. They have taken threat as a weapon to protect themselves out of, to protect themselves against their own stupidity. That's what is happening in MCP. Safuna kumva mtu. Moga kugoti, let's say for example, Chinchomwe Malawi mbitu kudabu. Why we support the president? Kungo bwesa ma reforms. MCP basi. Because he all such to understand my reforms, he will go to Yamapaga Chani. MCP, the other challenge I know, they don't have the implementation agency. Alibe implementation of anything progressive in a party as well as while they're in the government. Alibe. Says what go to. And the other thing is, the worst thing is, they don't even sit down and come up with an action plan. Tawamboma koti pange bani. Chipani chikandidi responsibility to lunch. Sazi was Venezuela. And that my partners now that they don't have that time to plan in MCP. It's a huge party. But most of the people who vote for MCP, I'm going vote Mbuli or on trouble lines. So I'm just clarifying this point. In a Mapshatima, when John Mafuriro said no, the UTM executive is weak or neck is weak. It's true. But it's not only a UTM. But he's mentioned this because him with UTM, he supports the vice president. 2025 as a claim of vote. But as a party, they must sit down. Look at what people are trying to criticize the party. When I don't criticize UTM, I beef up and that Chipani. I go UTM. apange. Just the same, if MCP wants to stay in government or to come back in government or to continue, aina kusitha penda kamila papa. Kantima, they should be accommodative. And let's not take somebody who criticizes the amazuzura kuti ndidani wawo ayi. So kuzuzwa kuliko kumene tupanga malawi panopo tufuna boma labwino ku Malawi. We don't want rubbish. The next government must take things. We don't want to waste out of time discussing issues, making mistakes and errors. What we need the next government, akakamba chintu, tipanga misewu, atipase time frame. In 2 years time, timaliza project yakuti. Inchakuja tufuna boma limene lolo. Ngati zavuta, ndalama palibe, we will not start this because tibe ndalama. Koma sama kukamba kuti tipanga chakula tipanga. Zopanga zambiri kona mtumba muri tutambala yoka. You can't even do anything. That's why most of the projects are stagnating in Malawi these days. So, Anzanga, when you are looking in this campaign, Vice President, let's look not at parties. Parties, they have got their own way of handling their issues. But for those who have joined me to support the Vice President, Tenti Gawane Zero, how best can we campaign for this presidency? In 2025. Komaso, that didn't matter. Let's find means and ways of how to support the party as that must structure such party. Because our campaign is not just talking. We need your votes, Malawians. And time for registration in Kazakwa and Malawi. Let's go and register for more. Any registration we're going to make, we have to make that good in Sogrewatu. I made to support her as a winner. And when we're going to do like that, even make Jitra with that cheaper. Ya monitoring, ya mele sangu ziga zindese. Koma zipati kakoti zingo embekeza kuti ai zioneka ngati metu tukugaza kuti mwezi lero uoneka mauka holiday ai zipati zikandi directive yenye direction izioneka kuti nthawi campaign zapanga ichi achipandi zapanga ichi anthu amene angosapota president wathu azapanga ichi. This is the time to prepare all parties. I'm not saying UTM yoka zipani zonse zilizofoka zawo. Let me stop here. Maybe I've spoken too much. But give me good evening, Anzanga Gospel Group. Komaso, food for thought. You Malawians, pa group up, me tu kambira papa. Situ kapena tu kamba kuti winake timsangalase. Ai. Tikukamba zonsezi zokamba zambiri katukangana tukufuna osogrewa bwino Malawi. That's it. Zile zimari bwezera mkumbuyo Malawi muno ndizime tu kamba pa group apa. Tikuzuzulana. Ndeka tino waisitenga person uti luwala wanitukwana kapena luwala aufuna situ kakabiza mundu. Amena makondo ziko la Malawi. Will understand what I'm saying and will understand my campaign for the Vice President. Ndalama zikuvuta ku Malawi, but the little money we get, let's try to tipangite auza nzatu the importance of voting, the importance of registering, the importance of making someone to be a good leader. Then tambe kumuzuzura leader zatu tambe kwa zuzura panopa. Kwa sababu leader zatu as investors meant kufuna kwa iwo when they get into government. Don't cheat us. When we are going to do agreement, leaders zatu apuzile kusata zimene agulizana mumgiza. So any agreement that is going to be there, it will be implemented by us voters as Malawians. That's all. Zimbabweans will not vote for us. Indians will not vote for us. It's us Malawians who are going to vote for our own leader, for our common good as a nation. Full stop. So ngatuka mbaya ndikusapota president as I know Tenti Kalembese. Nayo Kalembese, Tenti Kalembese in large numbers and vote for our leader that whom we want. Are you telling me who support us to vote for your party? MCP, she said Chimozi, find a better leader in MCP who can perform at a national level. Awali Pachakwera zikwa kanika. It's because of you MCP members sanko dinkanza, just like in DPP. DPP chapesa dinkanza nisanje. And don't take yourself at DPP chwani mwacha you produced two presidents from one way belt, Peter and his brother Bingo. Don't think that you are champions of democracy. You are the worst governors politically. Mukulepa utesa ndeuzanu ku DPP for no reasons. Mwindema MP parliament oma makani ndalama, you have got more time to discuss and resolve issues. Komazo DPP, the president musogole won versus zintu. Not watch it. Someone who's got experience. Ya mena Malawi tima funa ndale zatu. Mena Malawi tima fali tukilenga tisiko. That's what you have to do. Ino azati ayu defu. Munaikapo mai patero apo. Ndi amai achikulire. He cannot run the party from Chidiva to Sanje. Mufuna atupere alowe. Koma atupere osama mnamiza. Mumuze chilungamo. Kunyada asiye. Chwati bambu wake ndo anala president. Ndiazi nyada. Nothing is easy in politics. Because politics mene yeye tupere ngati afuna imile pa usogole wa ziko. Suta zaimila chuo cha IDF pokaya. Azaimila Josefa Malawi. Just like Cyrus Chilima. Just like Enoch Chihana. Just like Chakwera. Ngana zaime. Maudindo hao si wa kuchipani. Nda Malawi tonse. Nda mene city mwizipanimo. Let me stop like here. But now I've spoken like a true patriot and a citizen of this country. Thank you and good night.